Got a little project here going on. I gotta make some blowout caps for this 2.5-inch hose. So what I did is I took that receipt over there and wrapped around my pipe, got it even. That way I've got a good straight line to cut right here. And I'm gonna do something different than I have in the past. I am gonna put a port right here, and that way I can have a dump valve for the air. So also another thing I did is, this is a 10-foot slick line that I got. It is a 2.5-inch slick line. Of course, all the collars are already welded on. It's mainly built, so all I got to do is put a cap on. I did get some weld on ends from Concrete Pump Supply. The slick line came from Concrete Pump Supply. I think this thing's 70-80 bucks for this. So anyway, but I just got to thinking, heck, instead of trying to round up some 2.5-inch pipe or whatever that would be to make up to that, just buy a slick line, cut that off. I've got extra weld caps now if I want to make another one or two. Of course, I got down there. I'll make my blowout cap out of this. So I'm sure there is a cheaper way to do it. I'm sure there is, but cheaper is not always faster. So anyway, that's what the project today is. So thank y'all for joining. Come along. Let's try to get the blowout cap built. So draw me some circles here to go on my plate steel. I don't know, it's probably 1/4 inch. Probably way too big, but don't make any mistakes right there. So, cool enough. Well, I'll melt a bunch of that off as I weld it, and once we get it good and welded solid, then we'll just take the grinder and smooth it up, make it all look one piece and pretty. So, but so far, I like what I see. Still pretty warm, man. Yeah, it's pretty warm. All right. She is, sorry. She is complete. We got a ball valve for a dump. Uh-oh. That wasn't thought out real well. I think I can turn that. I can turn it. I can turn it. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. I can turn it, swap ends. No big deal. All right. But we can sure get that done. One less project down. This one, I gotta get. They didn't have any more ball valves at the hardware store, but I'll get that one fixed too. So we have got to pick our mess up. It is beer 30. So get this situated and call it good. So I don't know what we're into next. You'll see when I see. Catch you later.